So hey friends, I don't think anybody will disagree with me that 2020 has been rather an odd year. Well, it's ending very oddly as well. Normally whenever I go camping in December here in North Texas, there'll be a few people camping at the campgrounds, but I have never seen anything like this before. All the campsites in all of the state parks are pretty much booked solid for the entire 90 days booking dates that they do. So I wanted to go camping this weekend. I didn't want to go do the boondocking free camping thing because it got down to 30 degrees last night. It's just kind of nice to plug in. Being a state park pass holder, I am able to camp at a campsite with electric water and a covered picnic table, fire ring, all of that good stuff for 15 bucks a night. So it's really not bad. I mean, if you count the amount of propane you would burn and firewood you would burn trying to stay warm, if you're free camping, it's about a wash. So I came out to Lake Whitney State Park. I looked through all the state parks within a 100-mile radius of Dallas, and this was the only one I could find one electric campsite available, so I snagged it. It's not the best spot I've ever camped at, but it is a very lovely park. So I thought what I'd do today is take my bike around, and I would love to ask some of these people, what the heck are you doing here? I mean, it's just not normal to have this many people camped in December. Now, last night, some people pulled in across from me, and the man next to me was watching them, and it looked like they were having a little bit of a hard time pulling their pop-up camper in. So the man went over and asked, "Hey, do y'all need any help?" And they said, "Oh, is it that obvious?" They said, "This is our first camping trip ever. We bought this pop-up last week." So I have a feeling that a lot of people are taking to camping because there's just nothing else to do. This is considered a safe activity. It's outside and very well social distance. So I know a lot of families are doing that. But yeah, tons of tent campers. I think if I drive around, most of the tents will be brand new. I just have a feeling. My question is, how long, I mean, a lot of these people just aren't going to like camping. So how long will it be before all of these trailers and pop-up campers and tents and things make their way to Facebook Marketplace and things like that? Anyway, I'm going to go for a bike ride. I'm going to take you guys along and show you around Lake Whitney State Park. So I think I've stayed here once before. I don't really remember, but it's pretty much like every other state park in Texas on a lake. It's supposed to warm up to 60 degrees today. It's about 49 degrees right now, so I'm going to wait a little bit and we'll go for that ride. Now, this is my view. These are the nice neighbors that helped the pop-up camper neighbors out last night.